Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to explain how to calculate goodwill. There is a link with LKAS 36. Let me introduce right way to solve goodwill question based on this example. Please write down this question below in your paper or books. Please give me attention. If you listen well, you can solve this problem easily. I thought that calculate the goodwill based on partnership question. Do you know why I choose this question to explain goodwill because of it has wide range. Therefore, you can understand almost A to Z theory part. Now I show you the question in Zoom. Please wait a moment. From my point of view, you should write down this question for getting more and more knowledge. If you want to solve this problem, you have to follow the below step. Step 1. If we need solve this problem, we have to realize additional information what related with this question. Before we go to the solve this problem, we have to read point number 1. Please read it. You can uh, get almost 1 minute. Okay. Let me read this information. It is the goodwill at any date to be valued 3 years of weighted average profit of last five financial years. All the adjustment regarding goodwill will be adjusted through partners' capital account. I think that may you have got some idea of this information. If you can't understand, please read it again. There There is no matter to how range you got it. Okay, let's we move to the calculate part. The information, the point 2 say that the good will be valued, sorry, the point 1 say that will be, that will, that the good will be valued 3 years weighted average profit of the last 5 financial years. The Here, what the value the goodwill may be changed. Please keep it in your mind. Previously, I forgot mention you. There are three methods to calculate goodwill. This question always gives us follow the weighted average profit method, unless there are capitalization method and surplus method. Okay, now we will move to the next step. Please read point 2 under the additional information. They gave us last 6 years profit of entity, but additional point 1 said we can get last 5 financial years profit. Okay, they provided us entity profit from 2016 to 2022. Then you can 2022, we have to you know ignore 2016 and 2017 profit. I think that you can understand why I did like that. So we want to last 5 years profit. You already copied this question. Therefore, you put the number like this. 2017 and 2018 here 80,000 multiply 1 equal 80,000. 2018, 2019, 80,000 multiply by 2 equal 160,000. 2019 to 2020, 60,000 multiply 3 equal 180,000. So 2022, 2021, 40,000 multiply 4 equal 160,000. 5, 2021 to 2022 equal minus 20,000 multiply 5 equal minus 10,000. Sorry, minus 100,000. Okay. Total value equal 480,000. Could you understand why we put the number? As I think you don't know why did I do like this? Because of we have to get weighted average profit in order the years. That's the first step of reach it. After you multiply the profit by years, you can get these answers. You know why I minus 1 lakh from this profit? Because of it is loss now. There is a formula to calculate weighted average profit. Now we can visible it in your screen. Please write down it in brief. After you divided total profit by total years, you can get weighted average profit easily. After that, you have to divide total profit by total years. Then you can get 32,000. That's an average profit for 1 year. But question said that the good will be valued 3 years. Therefore, we have to multiply this profit by 3. Then we can get goodwill. It's a what to find goodwill. Finally, we have to classify this total goodwill among partners based on their profit ratio. Now we move to the end of our session. If you have any doubt, problem and complaints against me, please let me know after this session. I will reply you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the case study related to impairment of asset under LKAS 36. We will look at the situation where company discover that a machine is damaged and need to calculate how to impairment loss is allocated across the cash generating unit. Let's go step by step through The information given calculates the impairment and finally determine the new carrying amount of the asset involved. Let's move on to case study. 1st of August 2024, it is discovered that the damage to the machine is worse than original theft. The machine is now considered to be worthless and recoverable amount of the factory as the cash generating unit is estimated to be 1,050,000. At the 1st of August 2024, the cash generating unit comparison the following asset. The information building value 700,000, plant and equipment 225,000, including at the carrying amount of 25,000, goodwill value 19,000, net current asset 200,000, included recoverable amount. In currency with LKAS 36, what will be the carrying amount of Amano's plant and equipment when the impairment loss has been allocated to the cash generating unit? In the case study, first of all, get to carrying amount and which is carrying amount building value 700,000, plant, plant and equipment 125,000, goodwill 19,000, net current asset 200,000. Final answer 1,415,000. After the calculation, impairment loss equal carrying amount subtract recoverable amount. 1,415,000 subtract 1,050,000. Now I know final answer 365,000. Now identify impairment loss and covering this loss. First use new machine 365,000 subtract 25,000 equal 340,000. Secondly, use to goodwill 340,000 equal 19,000. Sorry, 300,000 subtracting 19,000 equal 25,000. This is an impairment loss 250,000. After under movement you get new impairment loss 225,000. Now, finally allocating the impairment loss in between building and property plant and equipment. First building 700,000 divided by 1,100,000 multiply 250,000. Final answer 159,090.90. Secondly, property plant and equipment 400,000 divided by 1,100,000 multiplied by 250,000. Final answer 90,900.09. After the new current amount calculation, first one building 700,000 subtracting 1,059,090.90. Final answer 540,909.1. Secondly, property plant and equipment. 400,000 subtracting 19,909.909. Final answer 319,919. Sorry, 319,019.91. Okay. Today we are learn how to identify impairment loss and allocating them fairly among assets. It is important to follow the produced under LKAS 36 for such a situation. Thank you for very so much for attention. Thank you.